Hello, this is a video for Todd Ravito's SensorCraft. So before we get started, we are assuming that you have Python downloaded and installed on your computer and the latest version of SensorCraft cloned onto your desktop, and that you have completed Building a Wall Part 1. And so what we're going to start is we're going to make a copy of the folder of the file we made last time, right? So you know the drill, cd, desktop, SensorCraft code, because we're modifying code folders. And we want to copy 01 building automatically your initials, and we want to copy that to 01 building automatically part 2 your initials dot .py. And I know they're long names, but it's good to have a descriptive name because then you know what file you're talking about, right? Okay, so now we're good. So now we can go into our SensorCraft folder, or no, we want to open idle. So Python idle, it comes pre-installed with Python, and we want to do File, Open, and then Desktop, SensorCraft code, and then there we go, Part 2, your initials. Alright, here we go. So we want to jump down to our build wall function. So you can do Control F, and that will open this, and you might need to do 2 or 3. There we go, build wall. So we want to make a great wall. So instead of looking at ranges -10 to 10, we're going to look at ranges -100 to 100. So this multiplies the size of our wall by a factor of 10, right? And so now, if we save our code in F5, it'll open it up. It'll take a second to load. There we go. But if we hit B, do you see now we have a huge wall? The other one was just 10, but now we have this big wall that's 100. So we can go through it, and it builds directly through hills, mountains, valleys, that type of stuff, which is pretty convenient. But you can see it's huge. It's 10 times bigger than the one we built in the last tutorial. So that's it. This is a pretty small tutorial for you guys, but that's it for part 2. Please check out part 3 where you can learn how to build a pyramid automatically. Thank you.